Hey tech fam, let's talk about the TCL Note A1 NXT Paper. Because with all the buzz, you're probably wondering, is this digital notepad the real deal, or just another overpriced gimmick? So, here's the lowdown. The Note A1 isn't just a tablet, it's TCL's answer to the remarkable and Kindle Scribe, only with a twist. We're talking about an 11.5-inch NXT Paper Pure display. Matte, anti-glare, and super gentle on the eyes. No e-ink here. It's a full-color LCD, so you get vibrant notes without that annoying slow refresh. And yes, it's got a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Seriously, writing on this thing feels like gliding on actual paper, minus the ghosting you get from e-ink rivals. The T Pen Pro stylus? It's top tier, with 8,192 pressure levels and almost zero lag. So whether you're sketching, note-taking, or doodling in meetings, hey, I won't judge, it just works. The Note A1 is all about focus. It runs a stripped-down Android, no Play Store to distract you, just pure productivity. Plus, built-in AI does the heavy lifting for transcriptions, translations, and even meeting summaries. Hardware-wise, it's loaded, 8,000 mAh battery, 256 GB of storage, and an 8-mic array for crystal-clear voice notes. And TCL is legit. They've shown this at CES 2026, CNET, ZDNet, and Android Authority all got hands-on. So, scam? Nope. This is a real polished product with years of tech behind it. A couple of downsides, though. At around $549, it's not cheap, and that 300 nits brightness can struggle in direct sunlight. Plus, you're backing it on Kickstarter, so standard early bird risks apply. Bottom line, if you want a sleek color notes-first device that bridges LCD speed with e-ink comfort, the Note A1 is worth a look.